Hello everyone, so this is a demo of the Adobe AIR and Arduino Platform Mashup that I just created. It's essentially an MP3 player built in Adobe AIR that communicates via Tinkerproxy back and forth through the Arduino board. Quick shot of the circuit. Essentially I have two rows of LEDs that are ground to the board and are also getting their power from the board. Pins 2 through 5, and then two momentary switch buttons here that are also ground to the board and hooked to pin 6 and 7. And then you have a couple shots of the development environment here. This is the Tinkerproxy running in the background, and then there's a custom sketch written in processing that is handling all the logic on the board itself, and then everything else was written, the MP3 player and all the other stuff business was written in Actionscript in Flex using Flash Builder 4.5. So I'll go ahead and run the app here real quick. There's like a bank of buttons across the top that I'm using for debugging purposes. Basically I can toggle each set of LEDs on and off to see, you can see that it's working. And then the MP3 player and playlist is right below that. So this first button here behaves like a toggle switch, so you could play or pause. So if I go ahead and turn this on, the MP3 player is running, and I'm spitting out a bunch of console information from the Arduino back to Flash. And I can pause, play again, pause, play again, and then this other button is for going to the next track in the playlist. That jumps to the next track, which I can also play and pause, and then jump back. Currently there's only 2 tracks in the playlist. And for these lights, I'm essentially just getting the average of the sound channels left peak and right peak in Actionscript, and then sending the appropriate commands to the Arduino to light up individual lights based on the average of the sound channel peaks. So, but yeah, the next steps are I want to get a couple more tactile buttons here for previous track and stop, and then potentiometer to adjust the panning of the sound left and right, and then maybe some other cool sensors and dials and stuff, and just play around. But eventually I'm hoping to package the source code and do a full tutorial on how I got to this point, what technologies were used. So thank you for watching.